Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if this copy paste is not working in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick way how to fix it. So the first method is that you need to open the task manager and you need to restart Windows Explorer. So open the task manager and look for Windows Explorer. So type Windows, this one. This is the Windows Explorer. Just right click and restart. Just right click. Okay, so this is the first step. So now if the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is you can go in the search bar and you will type clipboard settings. Go to clipboard settings, and then after that you need to make sure that this clipboard history should be turned on. You have to make sure this should be turned on, and then after that what you need to do is you need to open services. Go to services and look for uh, clipboard related services. So like in my case, my service name is this user service is used for clipboard scenario. So I'm going to open this service and I will just stop this service and then I will start the service again. I hope after performing these steps, your issue will be fixed. And at the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.